Okay, this is a chin tuck, so this is to practice strengthening the deep neck flexors of your cervical spine. So you want the towel roll right under your neck, and you want to think about if I had a string on the top of my head just pulling me into a taller position, and my chin going into my neck. So it's making it like a double chin. So you want to be relaxed, your knees are bent, and you're just bringing your chin towards your chest. You can look up a little bit and bring your chin towards your chest. So this is strengthening these deep neck flexors. You don't want to look up like this. You want to keep your head on the table the whole time. It's a very subtle motion, and you might even feel a stretch in the back of your neck because you're lengthening those muscles.